As we all know, a recession is a period of economic decline. And while we hope that we are not headed for one anytime soon, it's always good to be prepared. So if you have an Etsy shop, there are a few things that you could do to make sure that your business weathers the storm. And in this video, we will discuss how email marketing, focusing on customer retention, niching down, and growing brand awareness can help you prepare for a recession and build a sustainable business for years to come. Email marketing. One of the best ways to prepare for a recession is to focus on email marketing. And email marketing allows you to stay in touch with your customers and keep them updated on what's going on with your business. It also allows you to offer special deals and promotions that can help increase sales. To get started with email marketing, all you need is an email list, and you could grow your email list by offering a discount or something of value to your customers. And once you have a list of subscribers, you could start sending out regular updates, and these updates can include information about new products, special promotions, or anything else that will be interest to your customers. And the best part of email marketing, it belongs to you. No one could take it away from you. If you ever had to start all over again because your Etsy shop was suspended, you have a pool of customers that you could take with you to your site or whichever new platform you choose to sell your products at. Focus on customer retention. Another way to prepare for a recession is to focus on customer retention. During a recession, people are more likely to cut back on their spending. This means that it's more important than ever to keep your existing customers happy. There are a few ways you could do this. First, offer loyalty programs or discounts for repeated customers. Second, make sure your customer service is top-notch. Respond to customers' inquiries quickly and resolve any issues that may arise. And finally, go the extra mile with your packaging and shipping. This will ensure that your customers have a positive experience from start to finish. Niching down. A third way to prepare for a recession is by niching down. When people are cutting back on their spending during a recession, they are more likely to choose businesses that specialize in what they're looking for. So if you haven't already done so, now is the time to niche down and focus on a specific market or target audience. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract customers who are looking for exactly what you offer. So for example, if you sell handmade jewelry, you could niche down and focus on selling only bridal jewelry. This will allow you to tap into a specific market that is still interested in buying during a recession. Growing brand awareness. Another way to prepare for a recession is by growing brand awareness. When people are cutting back on their spending during tough economic times, they are more likely than ever to gravitate towards brands that they know and trust. So if people aren't familiar with your brand yet, now is the time to start getting the word out there. There are a few ways you could do this. First, make sure that your social media platforms are up to date and visually appealing. Second, run ads targeting potential customers in your niche market. And finally, collaborate with other businesses in your industry to reach a wider audience of potential customers. While we hope that we're not headed for a recession anytime soon, it's always good to be prepared. If you have an Etsy shop, there are several things that you could do to make sure that your business weather the storm, including email marketing, focus on customer retention, niching down, and growing your brand awareness. By taking these steps now, you will be better prepared to handle whatever comes your way in the future. Thanks for watching.